Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen injector. First, ensure your skin is clean by gently washing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. Next, fully charge your oxygen injector device. A typical charge takes about 2 hours. Then, prepare the machine by filling its small water tank with either purified water or a specialized water-based serum, ensuring it's thin enough for atomization. Now, let's prepare your treatment. Choose a water-based serum, such as hyaluronic acid for hydration or vitamin C for brightening, as oil-based serums can clog the nozzle. If your chosen liquid is thick, dilute it with distilled or purified water to ensure a fine mist. Securely attach the filled water tank to the main machine, then connect the airbrush gun to the compressor unit, making sure all parts are firmly in place. For effective application, hold the airbrush gun approximately 6 to 8 inches, or 15 to 20 centimeters, away from your skin. Gently pull back the trigger to release a fine, even mist of oxygen and serum. Move the device in slow, circular motions across your face, ensuring even coverage. Avoid overspraying one area, as this can dry out the skin instead of hydrating it. After your treatment, allow the serum to fully absorb into your skin for a few minutes. Do not touch your face immediately. Proper cleaning is crucial for device longevity. After each use, empty any remaining liquid from the water tank. Then, fill the tank with clean distilled water and spray it through the airbrush until the water runs clear, flushing out any residue. This prevents clogs and maintains hygiene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.